Against Jessica Lynn Anaya, 25R514118A, 24R254240.
Good morning, Judge and staff. John Graziani, attorney on behalf of Jessica Lyons on my left. Please identify yourself.
Jessica Lyons.
All right, I took these pleas under 771. She pled, so let me just back it up here. I'm gonna need Madeline, and you can call over there with hers.
Judge, she's still technically in violation, and I did speak with Madeline. I'm happy to have her come over because she'll confirm the fact that although it's been slow progress, Ms. Anaya has been making progress. She's not become the community service. Should have been done by this time. She's also gotten rid of the warrant out of Lincoln Park, which is on a drunk driving case.
So it is disorderly that was reduced to 771.1 on 25R254240. She was in here on May the 21. She pled guilty to failure to pay her fines and costs as ordered, failure to attend her scheduled visit on May 11, and failed to clear all warrants by May 1. Then on the other file, 25R514118A, she was in here on a furnishing alcohol to minor, which I also took under 771.1, and she pled guilty to failure to complete 20 hours of community service. So on that date, back on June the 22nd, I said I'd set a sentencing date today at 8:30. And her community service hours she was supposed to have done was 20 hours. I first gave her until June the 1st of 26. So where are we with everything here? What is she doing?
Judge, what's happened is she has completed, well, go ahead, Ms. Raptis.
Your name?
Madeline Rogers, probation.
I can't wait to hear. Tell me what's
Judge, what's been happening is she has completed 24.5 hours.
provide proof of that to you?
She did.
Are you satisfied with that?
She still has 20 and a half hours left to complete, that have been long overdue. But she has made some progress.
Judge, under the circumstances, I believe she's made significant progress. She's gotten rid of the warrant of Lincoln Park. Secondly, she's next going to be getting rid of the warrant out of 36th District Court. She is working.
She's got, hang on.
It's long overdue, Judge, but she is making progress.
You're very immature. You know that, Ms. Anaya? Very immature. How old are you?
I'm 36.
It's time to grow up.
I'm trying to get it out the way.
You trying to what?
Get everything out the way. It's taking me a little longer than expected.
Why? Tell me why. Get me a little.
Don't drive.
Why don't you drive? You don't have a license?
No.
Do you ever have a license?
Yes.
You got it suspended or revoked?
Yes.
Which?
Suspended.
Why?
It was a drunk driving out of Lincoln Park at 2020, Judge, and she failed to address it. She owes another $500. She'll be dealing with that with Judge Clifton. She has another issue out of 36th District Court, but it is less than $120. She is making progress, Judge. She got a paycheck recently.
Remind me, do you have kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you married?
No.
Any of the fathers in their lives?
One.
Is it this?
Judge, it's a difficult situation, and although it doesn't look as good as it should, she has been working very hard. She has the support of her mother. I would hope that this.
Here's the problem. I cannot keep going on a 771 case longer than a year. I sentenced her May 15th of 25. Now it looks like on the, did I revoke that status? It looks like, Heather, and yeah, I did. And I sentenced her on the other case, on that case, March 19, to serve 20 more hours by June 1. And that's all I ordered. Then on the other case, on the Rockwood case, did I ever revoke that status?
I don't believe you.
On which one? They're both Rockwood cases, Judge. So that one would be that one ending in, is that the 240 or the 118?
Correct.
The 240?
Yeah.
Let me look at the,
Well, I only placed her on probation on that on March 19th.
I don't see anything revoked that I'm seeing on that one.
Can I ask you a question? Why, when I told you on May 21 to clear all your warrants, first you had until when I took the plea on May 21, after you failed to clear by May the 1, why didn't you go clear those warrants yet?
It's just been a transportation issue.
No.
A money issue. I don't have transportation to get to Detroit at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Well,
I could get there to the Lincoln Park one. And the other warrants is just for $294 traffic tickets, which I can't see online.
can you run that? My lien here is dated June the 15th. Will you make sure that warrant's cleared out of Lincoln Park?
Judge, I did, verify that she just cleared that warrant on the 16th, last week.
16th of July.
Yes, at Lincoln Park. The Detroit warrants are still active. I looked those up. I was able to see them through my work.
Why do you procrastinate? How did you get to work? How did you get to Lincoln Park?
A friend of mine.
Why couldn't you have gotten a friend of yours to take you over there long before July 16th?
It was hard to get her to take me then.
Judges, there's no excuse, and please take into consideration, he brought up jail with the fact that she's made progress, albeit too slow, but nonetheless, she is making progress, that she does take this matter seriously.
Anything? Defense to clear all warrants by sentencing date, I wrote down. I don't know why, I just feel like you
Judge.
need to proceed in life. How do I say this? With more promptness. Let me just put it that way. We don't get to procrastinate. Heather, give me a date in 3 weeks. I'm gonna adjourn this one last time. I'm gonna have this done, you're going to jail, okay? You're gonna clear your warrants, you're gonna take care of everything, you're gonna have your community service done. Again, if you don't, you're going to jail. Adjourn 3 more weeks, last chance, ma'am.
3
Yeah,
weeks,
okay.
I'm sorry, Judge. 3 weeks you're not here. We could go to the 17th.
Adjourn to August 17th at what time?
We could do 8:45.
Judge, I don't think she'll be unsuccessful, I think she'll be successful, but if she is not successful,
Tell her to bring her toothbrush and underwear,
how much time in jail, Judge?
the whole time,
Okay,
okay?
thank you, sir.
August 17th at 8:45. You better get it done. And I'm writing down. Or jail if not completed. And you know what I'm gonna do? Just so I don't miss it myself, which I won't, I'm gonna make sure I highlight this. Gotta grow up. Just gotta grow up. Go down the hall, get your